Hi, I'm Jeffrey Cole.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Welcome to our
Welcome
home.
to our home. We like it simple, homely,
And cozy.
and cozy.
The best part of the house I would think is the kitchen tabletop and the color of the house. I like my house to be light color. The interior designer give us a very good idea, and also he help us a lot on the design and things like that, and he tell us how to save here, save there. Design this way so you get more spacious and things like that. Yes, honestly yes. He did a very good job, and he saw some time and keep us updated on whatever he's doing every day.
We found him through the Renopedia website, so we saw a few IDs, but when we meet Dave, we felt that he's a very reliable ID and very honest, and I think we didn't regret choosing him at all.
You also know what he's doing and know what he's telling us. That we know what we really want. He always come to the site every day and then give us a feedback. And he's sort of
He update us on WhatsApp group chat.
Okay, bye. Thanks, Dave.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.